Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. So in this video I will teach you how you can create a multiple folders with just one click. So first you have to open the text editor or notepad. Okay, so here first you have to write the MD, and after that you have to put the names of the folder. Let's suppose I want to create the 3 folder or 5 folders, so I just need to put, first you have to create empty and then give the space and then give the name of the folder like and then space and then space and then space. Okay, so here I want to create the 4 folders, so I just put the name of the first folder, second folder, third folder and fourth folder. So you can just type the name of your folder that you want to create, but you must provide the space between the name of the folders. Okay, so this is the first step, and now I need to save this file in the specific folder where you want to create a multiple folders. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going to create these folder with the name of Ibrar, Ahmed, Ali and Ahmed on the, oh, we have to change this one. Okay, so we have 4 folders, right? Now the next step is we need to save this file, so just go to file and then go to save as, and now we have to specify the place or the folder where we want to create multiple folders. So let's suppose I want to create these 4 folders on the desktop, so I have to select the desktop, and here I can give any name. Let's suppose folder creator, folder creators. Okay, but here you also need to put, that is very important, dot bat. Okay, so at the end of the this file name you must have to put the dot bat. Okay, and now just go to save, and now you have create a bat file on your folder or where you want to create these folders. Now you just need to double click on it. Okay, so you can see that these 4 folders automatically created on my desktop. Let's suppose you want to create 50 folders with the names of the student or 100 folders. You just need to follow this procedure, and with the one click you can create multiple folders. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you.